So today in this video we are going to talk about the most surprising effects of walking. Yes, can walking be a treatment? Of course, walking can be a treatment, whether it's prescribed in Ayurveda or allopathy or Western medicine. Walking costs nothing and it gives so many things which you cannot imagine. Even we don't pay attention to walking always. We just think, okay, walking is a work, or even if we have to go for some kind of work, we need to walk. Otherwise, we need not to walk, we should always sit. Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor, and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. I thought it's a very simple tip, and if I elaborate little bit for people's awareness, like how walking can be so beneficial, then definitely each and every human being will opt to walk, and he will enjoy the tremendous benefits of walking. Even these days you must have seen, if you go to a doctor, whether you have diabetes, hypertension, heart problem, arthritis, or any kind of rheumatoid arthritis, or even sometimes some kind of nervous disorder, most of the doctors, they are prescribing you walk for certain time, walk for 1 hour, walk for 5 to 6 miles. These prescriptions are very common these days. I am sure your doctor are also telling you this prescription. In many times even doctors have started writing on the prescription slip that you should walk for 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. So let's see why it's so important. Good thing is, if you walk in a correct way, you can overcome many diseases and you can prevent many diseases. That's the beautiful thing about walking. According to Ayurveda, when we say what walking does, one thing, walking helps to make our circulation better, it enhances, it balances your Vata dosh. It also helps in balancing the Kapha dosh, because when we walk, when we move, that is the activity of a Vata dosh, and at the same time it also works against obesity, because when we have excessive Kapha dosh in the body, that causes obesity, and when we start walking, that means we are enhancing our Vata dosh, which automatically will balance or subside the enhanced Kapha dosh. In this way, it will also help in reduction of weight. You would be surprised to know, like, there are 32 obesity promoting genes that are present in our body. But if somebody is walking for an hour, it will cut down the activity of these obesity enhancing genes to half. So it would be so surprising for most of the people, like because these days obesity is a big issue. But if you are contributing daily in a walking for 1 hour or half, at least minimum 40 minutes, or even if you cannot do this, at least 20 minutes, you will see. If you are also prone to obesity promoting genes, for example, how we get to know like we have obesity promoting genes or no, you just observe, like in your family, whether your mother or your father or your cousins or your grandfather, they were obese, were they overweight? If they were overweight, there is more possibility like you also have inherited those kind of genes. So, but if you make your lifestyle like this, that you contribute 1 hour or half hour just for walking for yourself, then you will see, you will cut down the activity of these obesity promoting genes. And this is wonderful because it costs nothing. It's just you need to exert little bit of time in walking. And during walking, you can do whatever, you can listen to some nice music, you can listen to nice chants, and you can in tune with some nature. If you are nature loving person and you have a possibility to go in the nature, then you can also relate with nature, breathe good air. So many other things you can do while walking, and you will see the change, you will see the amazing results you will get if you start walking. Not only this, many people are also suffering with the problems of cravings. When you are sad, you want to eat a lot of chocolate, or you don't want to have a lot of coffee or anything sweet. But rather than this, because to release this stress, many times what we do, either we drink a cup of coffee, either we go for some chocolates. Sometimes though we just keep chocolates in our drawers, like whenever little stress situation comes, we want to have something sweet. I'm not against this totally, but one thing is you can replace this chocolate with certain fruit if you want to overcome this craving of chocolate. So anyway, if you want to eat something nutritious like fruit, fresh fruit, and this will help. Just carry fruits to your office daily, 1 or 2 fruits, and if certain situation like this come, you just take out the fruit. You won't believe it will also yield the same effect, and it will also, but not only this, it will also yield health. Another thing is, when you feel very stressed, don't sit in a corner in the house and just watch TV and eat chocolate. Try to go out, in nature, try to go out in a garden even, and just go for a walk. You will see when you come back, you will be stress free, and your craving for these chocolates and sweet will come down. So in this way, walking is extremely helpful to overcome your stress and negativity. Not only this, many times it has been seen, like the people who have problems like arthritis, joint pains, and osteoarthritis, which is more age related disease, and most of the time the joints that got affected by arthritis are mostly hip joint and knee joint. So these are the most prone joints that are more prone to arthritis. So what happens when you walk daily for half an hour or 20 minutes, it will strengthen the muscles of these joints. By strengthening the muscles of these joints, what you are doing, you are strengthening the joint itself. You are enhancing, you are contributing towards the health of the joint. So if you keep walking daily for at least half an hour, you will see your joint health will become better and better and better. And you can also use walking as a protection measure, because this walking not only make the health of the joint better, but it will strengthen your muscles and also enhance the lubrication fluid that is present in your joints, which protects your joints and don't let this osteoarthritis to destroy your joint. So this way it will help as a protection against osteoarthritis. Many times it also has been seen, not even only this, but it also is very beneficial to enhance immunity. How? Because when you are walking in some green park or some place, it's best to walk where there is nature. That is the best place to walk, because while walking for 20 minutes or half an hour, you are inhaling the fresh air, you are making connection with the nature. So naturally, as we know, nature is the best. Nature is our mother, and she knows how to nourish her child. So it is very, very important that you spend some time with nature, because it will nourish you, not only your body, but for you from within. So it is very, very important that you come in touch with Mother Earth for 20 minutes or half an hour a day, and you will see the amazing benefits in your health that you will observe just by doing the simple process of walking in nature. So these are the small things which you can do very quickly, and I am sure after listening this video, you will definitely include walking as a part of your life. What is the best time for walk? Either you can go for morning walk and evening walk, but if you ask according to Ayurveda, the best time of walking is once you have food, just walk for 20 to 25 minutes. It is very, very beneficial to make your digestive fire better, and your digestion will become much better, because walking means consumption of calories. So our intelligence give message to digestive fire like we need calories. So enhance metabolic fire to make the metabolism better, so that we will get more and more energy, and to get more and more calories or energy, we need to burn more and more fuel, that is food. So this way it will help in making our digestion better. And who should walk? Everybody should walk. For example, most of the times you are just performing your house duties toward your children, your husband, your parents, and about your friends, but don't forget yourself. Especially for housewives, it becomes extremely important that they give 20 minutes a day for themselves. Just even go for a walk. If you don't find time for exercise or yoga, at least you go for a walk. It is very, very beneficial for your health. At the same time, people who are elderly, like who have crossed 60 years of age, for them also at least 20 to 25 minutes walk is extremely beneficial for your health. And good thing is, it doesn't need any apparatus, it doesn't cost anything, and it gives tremendous benefits. So I hope after watching this video, each one of you will make walking as a part of your life, because it's a free treatment and we can use it for free, and it will yield tremendous benefits for us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, then please don't forget to press the bell icon and click the subscribe button so that you will stay in tune with our upcoming videos. And also, if you would like to support us, you can join our membership program, which includes certain exclusive videos which are not publicly available on YouTube. So if you want to know more about Ayurveda or more topics about health, you can join our membership. And how to join this membership? There is a subscription, there is a join button near subscription. So you can always click this button and you can have the benefit of our membership. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I am very grateful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And if you have any question regarding this, you please write down to us. We will more than happy to answer your questions in the best possible way. With this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, keep walking, keep smiling, and don't forget to share. Bye. Take care.